Why they be closing? What are you doing? Yo, what's up, humans? So we're back again with episode 2 of Design With Me series. So today, the series is going to be a little bit different because today we're actually going to Jozi. I'm going to show you where I actually buy t-shirts, and I'm going to be taking the train for the first time in a while. The new trains, guys are like you better dog in a minute. So, and plus it's like $20, dog, so it's like budgeting, you know, I'm giving you financial advice. I'm joking. So we're gonna be taking the train. So just right now, all that I'm gonna be doing is that bathing, and then after I'm done bathing, then we're gonna go to Jozi. Yes. Here's a tip: like when you are doing design work, especially printing, like when you're printing for like other people, please get numbers off your suppliers so that you don't have to do what I'm doing right now, like going to Jozi just to get a quotation so you can send the invoice. Because I had the numbers, but I had to get like a new phone so that the old numbers really got lost. So now I need to go to Jozi so I can get the numbers off the suppliers so that I don't have to go there every time there's an invoice, every time they want something. So I think that is the most valuable information, is that when you do this thing, please bro, get the numbers off your thingy, off your people, so that you don't really have to like all the time, bro. You just go there, bro. It's just BS. Look at this. All these graphic design, ugly design studios, you know, they know us in a very, you know. See, I'm just rocking my pajamas, not too crazy type shit on the highest level. Yeah. After this, I'm gonna be done bathing. I'm gonna show you my fit, and then we're gonna go to Jozi. So this is my fit. I'm rocking the Ugly Human black t-shirt. Please buy it. It's available, and sign up to the Ugly Human membership so you can get 50% discount and everything related to the Ugly Society. Yeah, so today I'm just gonna be taking you to where I actually buy plain t-shirts, and yeah, like a place that I have been looking for like for a long time when I started doing this thing. Like the information was very like ish, bro. Like people are very like secretive in that in those areas. They don't want to share those things, but we are not there. We do not care, because now we know the source. So I just want to say thank you, bro, to everyone that's watching, everyone that's supporting, buying, you know, hiring me for my graphic designing services. It actually means a lot, because damn, this graphic designing thing is tough. Freelancing, bro, is difficult. So thank you, humans.
Introducing the Ugly Society. Sign up today for our newsletter where you get exclusive access to the Ugly Human merch, content, music videos, and collectibles. What's more is you get 10% off on all purchases made on the online Ugly store. It's super easy to sign up. Join the Ugly Society now to stay up to date with everything Ugly Human. Don't be too beautiful to stay ugly.
So now I'm going to buy a ticket, you know, the 20 rand ticket level. So I'm going to buy the ticket. Yeah, man. Yeah, I haven't been here, bro, in a while. In a minute. Give it a train, bro. It's crazy. But let me go buy a ticket. So this is my ticket. I bought a single because they said it's R5.50, and that I was telling any food when I come back. So hey, my dad. Hey, I want to see how this thing is gonna go. But Itrenium is at valid for 3 hours. Valid for day of purchase. They said like it's at 11 or something. So many levels. Main content. People look at you anyway. Johannesburg Park Station, and I am tired, bro. Man, I just read some other email, some message I just got. Hey, the train took forever, dog, to get here. That shit took forever. So now, I'm about to head out to the spot where I actually buy clothes. I'm gonna catch you on that side. Yes, sir.
Introducing the Ugly Society. Sign up today for our newsletter where you get exclusive access to the Ugly Human merch, content, music videos, and collectibles. What's more is you get 10% off on all purchases made on the online Ugly store. It's super easy to sign up. Join the Ugly Society now to stay up to date with everything Ugly Human. Don't be too beautiful to stay ugly.
Right now I'm in Newtown. I just, man, what do I want to say? I don't know, I'm tired, bro. Right now I'm in Newtown. I'm going to the spot. I was in Bram. Just that I can't like show you everything because, man, these Jozi streets be tough. And the Langa level is crazy, bro. Like, it's just right on my face. Oh, I think this angle is better. I was saying, like, right now I'm going to Newtown. I was in Bram. So now I need to pass Newtown to go to the spot where I actually buy clothes. There's another spot, but that one I can't really document it because the location there is very, particular, They might snatch my phone, and now I don't have a phone. That would be very, very dangerous. For what reason? Content, no ways. So this spot I know is a bit safe. I know like it's a bit safe. It's kind of chilled compared to the other spots. So what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna show you when I get there exactly the spot. When I get to the spot exactly, then I'm gonna show you the spots and be like, okay, this is where the spot is. This is where you buy your shandis. This is where you buy your mbahlas. I'm gonna show you inside and how it looks like inside the spot. And after that, I'm going to Bram. See if I'm gonna see my homie and go to like ask some other stuff. Are we?
Introducing the Ugly Society. Sign up today for our newsletter where you get exclusive access to the Ugly Human merch, content, music videos, and collectibles. What's more is you get 10% off on all purchases made on the online Ugly store. It's super easy to sign up. Join the Ugly Society now to stay up to date with everything Ugly Human. Don't be too beautiful to stay ugly.
So that was the spot where you can actually get your own plain t-shirt, plain everything, and you start like branding your own shandies. You're branding your own shandies. The reason I'm doing this is because when I started and I wanted to do this thing, a lot of people were very secretive about this information. Why? I have no idea why niggas move that way. So I was like, man, when I find the sauce, I am going to share the sauce. Cause what bro, why are you hiding it, bro? Like, let's say you gonna create your own brand and you have seen my brand and you're like, I want to create my own brand. Dog, I'll give you the information because number one, I know the target audience of your brand and the target audience of my brand is not the same. Even if we are in the same space, we do not want the same target audience. So I don't understand why like humans, bro, like to keep such information like a secret. You shouldn't keep stuff like this a secret, bro. It's stuff that we should share so that we can all grow, so that we can all eat. It's nice building a community of other creatives where you can share resources and not be very secretive about resources. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the right thing. Support me, because videoing yourself talking is weird in public, especially that there's a lot of people. Right now I'm in Newtown Market Space. I'm gonna go to Bram to ask for a business incubation program. I was supposed to come some while ago, but life was lifing, dog. I was busy adulting there, so I think I'm gonna do it today. Yeah, let's go to Bram now. So I went to this it's a to home program. So I wanted to inquire about like business incubation and the digital art space. Passing through people, bro. Shit can get a little bit, because things can get a little bit awkward when you're just like talking to a camera and then people are there. So I wanted to inquire because I was here like last I don't know, like a couple of months back, and they told me to go back, and they told me to go to the website, and the website is really vague, bro. Like the information is like it's very vague. Like you have to fight for that information. So now I'm about to go to some makula shop here at Bram and buy snag and bounce because I'm tired. Yes.
Introducing the Ugly Society. Sign up today for our newsletter where you get exclusive access to the Ugly Human merch, content, music videos, and collectibles. What's more is you get 10% off on all purchases made on the online Ugly store. It's super easy to sign up. Join the Ugly Society now to stay up to date with everything Ugly Human. Don't be too beautiful to stay ugly.
So to go is 5 rand, but to return is like 950. Some weird maths going on there. Back Bozy. Damn, that shit took like the whole day just to finish it, but I'm back. Oh man,